In this video, I'm going to show you how to add in laptop. So in case you've been trying to make this add symbol on your laptop, here's how we can do it easily. So in case you're using Windows, the surefire way to do this is to hold down Alt plus 6 plus 4 on the numeric keyboard, which means on this part of the keyboard over here on the very right. So if I were to hold down Alt plus 6 plus 4, as you can see, I will get an add sign. I misclicked over here, but if I do Alt and 4 there we go, it's now working and it's making an add sign. So Alt plus 6 plus 4. Now, if it doesn't work for you for some reason, what you have to do is turn on or off numlock. So usually here, where there's the delete button on this keyboard, you will have a button which is called numlock. If it's on, turn it off and then try doing this, but if it's off already, turn it on and then try doing this as well. One of those methods will work, with numlock either on or off, depending which settings you have on your computer. If that didn't work for you, and if you for some reason can't access this numeric keyboard, most of the time you'll be able to get an add sign via using the Alt-GR key plus V on your keyboard, just like this. So you can just hold down your Alt-GR and then press V on your keyboard, and just like that, you will get your add sign. So if you're on Windows, that's how to do it. That's the easiest way, and especially this one should work on each and every single computer. However, on Mac, if you want to get it on Mac, and you have the Mac keyboard, like this one down here. This is, I believe, a keyboard used by Macs as well. What you can do is simply hold down your Shift key and press 2 on your keyboard, which is this 2 over here, not over here on the right, but this one up top. And if you press Shift plus 2, yet again, you will get an add sign. Alternatively, if none of these work for you, and none of the other tutorials work either, what you can do is simply go to Google and just type in add sign, and then once you type that in, as you can see over here, you can see it will bring up a bunch of these signs. Just find one and copy it. So just highlight it and then right click and copy, and then if you try to paste it somewhere, just do right click and then paste, and as you can see, it will paste in the add sign. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.